Welcome to the new video tutorial on summary extraction. In this video, I am going to show you how to extract summary from EDGAR filings. So for this purpose, you need EDGAR filing report. So to download that, you can simply go to your browser and search for EDGAR company search and just click on this link. And here you can search the company filings by company name or its ticker symbol. And for this tutorial purpose, I am selecting Facebook company. So let me search with its name, hit enter, and as you can observe, these are the company reports. So here you can find 10K and 10Q, that is annual and quarterly reports of Facebook. So I am going to select annual report, that is 10K annual report for the Facebook. So this is the entire report, and if you want to download this as PDF, you can just click on the menu here on the top left corner, and you can click on open as HTML, and simply you can use right click and click on print. So if you click on this save button, the entire document will be saved as PDF into your system. And for this tutorial purpose, I have already downloaded Facebook report for the year 2020, and actually there is a lot of information in this financial report, but for extracting summary, we do not require many of the data like tables, so we need to filter out this entire PDF to remove the unnecessary information. So let's do that. So the entire process I'm going to explain you in 2 steps. In the first step, I'm going to show you how to filter the entire document which I have downloaded. So for that purpose, I am importing here PDF Plumber. This is a Python library which is useful for reading the PDF documents, and as well as stop words from nltk.corpus, and also FPDF. FPDF is also a Python library which is used for creating new PDFs. So the next step is I have created empty lists here, and then I have assigned this FPDF function to a variable PDF, and then here file 1 is the file Facebook 2020.pdf which I have downloaded, and file 2 is the text file. Actually I am opening this text file in the write mode. This text file is necessary to save the filtered text from this PDF, and I am considering the entire length, that is the entire length of my downloaded file is 147, that is the number of pages is 147. And here as you can observe, I am using a for loop here to iterate through entire PDF, that is page by page. So I indicates the page number here, and if it is 1, then the entire text from the page 1 will be extracted using the extract text function. So after extracting the text, what I am going to do is I am going to split the entire text into lines. So this is because I want to filter out entire PDF text line by line. So I am just going to split it using this function split lines. Then what I am going to do is I am going to use a technique that is called stop words. So Stop words are like the meaningful words which are used in a particular sentence, like in, the, is. So these are all the stop words, and if if any sentence to be meaningful, uh, it must contain stop words. So for extracting summary, the sentence should be meaningful enough. So to find whether it is uh, whether it is useful for the summary extraction or not, we have to find whether it is consisting of stop words or not. So first of all, I am going to initiate stop words from NLTK. So stop words dot words I'm using, and I'm using the language English. Then to find whether stop words are present in a particular line or not. So to find that, I am going to split each line into words by using space separator. So I will be dividing entire line into uh, different words. So if the word is present in stop words, as you can see here, if the word is present in stop words, then the line is consisting of stop words. So that will be a meaningful sentence. So then I am going to extract that. I am going to consider that. So to extract that sentence, to extract that particular line, I am going to assign it into a new variable, and here I am going to check a I'm going to check a condition, that is, if uh, the sentence is already present in the lines list which I have created here. So this is because as we can observe that in any meaningful sentence we will be having at least more than two stop words. There will be more than two or three stop words also. So each time when you find a stop word, the entire line will be extracted. So it will lead to the repetition of the line extraction. So to avoid that, I am going to check whether the line is already extracted or not. If it is not extracted, it will not be present in the lines list. Then only it will be appended to that list, and also that particular line I am going to write into this text file. So actually we can write directly into a text file, but we need to check the condition whether it is already extracted or not. So for that purpose I am using this lines list. And the next condition is what happens if the word is not a stop word. So if the word is not a stop word, we can simply ignore it, but there is a condition where we can find some words without any stop words, some lines without any stop words, but they are meaningful. For example, if a paragraph is completed with a single word which is the continuation of its previous line, so it is very necessary to complete this meaningful sentence. But if it is not consisting any stop words, the line will be ignored. So to avoid that, I am going to use a condition again. I am going to use a technique here. So if the line is not consisting any stop words, but if the line is ending with full stop, so I will be extracting that sentence, that line also. So like this, no meaningful sentence will be lost. And if both of these conditions are not satisfied, then the process will be continued to the next page. And like this, the entire PDF document will be um, filtered out using the stop words technique. And after completing the entire document, filtering, all these PDF and text files will be closed. This is the basic good habit um for a programmer to close the files after finishing the usage. Then Till now we extracted the text, but this is not the exact summary. So what we need to do is we have to do some more processing. So for that purpose, text file is not the um, correct thing, uh, because in the text file we cannot split the text as we required, and also we cannot search, uh, and we cannot extract a particular sentence separately. So for all these purpose, the PDF document is the convenient and perfect document. So for this purpose we need to save all these extracted, all these filtered text into a PDF document. So we can do this online also, but um, to avoid any further consequences, any errors, any data loss, we can just do this by Python code itself. So by using this FPDF library, we can simply convert this text file into PDF. So let's see that. I am reopening the Facebook filter text file in the read mode, and here observe that I am using the encoding as Latin 1. And I'm using the add page function here. This is because to add text, first we need to add an empty page into the PDF. So for that purpose I'm using this function, and I'm setting the font. The font style is Arial and the size is 7.5. And next what I'm doing is we need to add entire text in the form of a cell. So for that I'm using this cell function, and here these values are the horizontal uh, and vertical character lengths, that is length of the characters can be fit into a page horizontally as well as vertically, and J is the data we are going to write it onto the PDF page, and this is the line of the page. And align is the alignment is like we can adjust the text on the PDF page, right, left, center, and justification. Actually justification is adjusting the text according to the PDF page. And finally I am going to save this entire PDF using the function output and with the name facebook.pdf. So this is about the first step of extracting summary. So let me revise this first step. So what we have done is we have downloaded the Facebook 2020 file from Edgar Filings, and we have filtered it. We have first extracted the text from each page, and we have filtered using Stopford's technique, and we converted entire text file into PDF using FPDF library. So let me run this and show you the output. This program will create two files. One is facebook.pdf and another one is facebook filter.txt. So it's done. We can find facebook.pdf file here. So when you open this, you can observe the entire text here, which we have filtered out and converted into a PDF from the text file. So now from this PDF document, we have to extract the summary in a point-wise manner. So for that, let me take you to the next step. So this is about the second step of extracting summary. So this is the main step, and here I'm again using PDF Plumber library to read the PDF, and also I'm creating a new text file here. So this is because to save the final extracted summary. So I am opening it in write mode, and also I have created some empty lists here, pages, list, and paragraphs. Then again I'm considering the entire length of this PDF which I have created now, and also from this entire length, from each and every page of the document, I am extracting the text, and I am going to save all these extracted text into this pages list. And the next step is, as we have text extracted from the entire PDF document, we need to separate it into paragraphs. We need to divide it into separate paragraphs. This is because we are going to extract the summary in point wise. So we need separate points, not the paragraphs or not the entire text. So first of all, we need to separate the entire text as paragraphs. So for that I am using the technique dot forward slash and end. So basically forward slash and end means the next line. Basically any two paragraphs will be separated by new line. So that is the technique I am going to use here. So I am splitting the entire text using this full stop as well as the next line. After dividing the entire text into paragraphs, I am again going to divide these paragraphs into sentences. Between any two sentences, there will be a full stop and space present definitely. So I am splitting the entire paragraph in using this full stop and space uh, to get different sentences. So to extract the summary, actually we have divided the paragraph into sentences, but we don't know which particular sentence is useful for extracting the summary and which is the exact summary we need. So to know that, I am going to search the uh, entire sentences list using the percentile character. So I'm using this. Actually, why only percentile character is, the reason is we can simply find uh, amount of or else percentage of profit or loss the company has got in a particular financial year. So to acquire that information, to get that information, we can consider this percentile symbol. We can simply uh, find out all the profits and all losses of a company using this percentile character. So I am using this, and if any sentences consisting of this particular character will be extracted as a final summary. So also I'm using here a condition whether the text is already extracted or not, to avoid any repetition, and if it is not extracted before, then only it will be appended to the list, and then only it will be write to the text file. To indicate each and every individual point, I am using this star symbol, asterisk symbol, and also I am completing each and every sentence extracted with this full stop. And to enter into the next line, I am using this forward slash n, because in a text file, basically if we add text into a text file, it will be saved in a single line only until unless we enter into a new line. So for that purpose, I am using this condition. So in this way, we can extract summary from any document, any financial document. So let me show you the output. It's done. So as you can see, this is the entire summary we have extracted from the Facebook report. So as you can see, you can observe additional text here which is not necessary, and this is because we have converted the text file into again PDF, and from that PDF we have extracted the summary. So by doing all that process, we will be getting some extra characters like this. So we can simply remove all this by replacing the entire character with empty string. Then you can simply remove that. Yes, you can observe uh, that characters were removed. Actually, those are replaced with the empty string. You can try it on any of the financial reports downloaded from Edgar Filings. And thanks for watching.